We're going to see if we can get the garage door open. I got the Greenworks 80 snowplow ready. Car's in the garage, but now we're going to go try to open it. There's about 8 to 12 inches of snow out there against this Pennsylvania winter storm. So here we go, and I hope the door opens. Oh boy, that's a lot of snow. So the door did open, thank goodness. So we're gonna put the battery in and see if we can use the plow against this. This is crazy. Oh, it's coming down really, really hard. You see all the trees are covered. Here's the battery case. And we're gonna just slide the battery in here. Got to put it in the right way. Yep. Okay. I think that's in that way. Yep. Everything is lit up. Just put that down. And I'm going to get it out into the snow a little bit. And to turn it that way. And I think we just pull it back. And then we just we turn it on and pull it back and turn it on. Not working, so gotta figure out what's wrong. I think it's in there, yeah. Okay, so we turn it on. Okay, so we put it back in. So we're going to push this button. And there we go. So it did a really good job making like a nice little wall there. So for someone who has a bad back or hip replacement, the Greenworks Pro works really good. This is a nice test. Can't believe how many. It's up about midway through my leg, my lower leg. So it's probably about 10, 12 inches right now. It even snowed in the front porch. So it works really good. So my son got this for me on sale from someone just selling it on eBay. So I like it because it has a battery. And you just slide the battery in there. And then you just recharge it when you're ready to go. This is awesome. Recharge it. It's so deep. It's like 12 feet of snow. I got about 3/4 of the driveway and the front porch and the side sidewalk done. So I got to recharge it now. So I got about 3/4 of the driveway done and my sidewalk. So I'm recharging. I'm going to go do the back porch while it recharges by hand. And then see if it's done, and then I can help my neighbors out. So you can see the wall. There's about, I don't know, almost 8 to 10 inches of snow here. So it works really good. So we're very happy, and this swivels around. And then you can hold the handle and change how high or low you want it to be. And this is the battery case. And when you're ready to go, you push this button. At the same time, you pull that back, and that turns it on. And then you can also swivel this handle here to change the direction. So this is a Greenworks Pro with an 80. So I'm really happy. You know, so if somebody's older or have hip replacement, they can deal with snowstorms without hurting their back, their hips, or have a heart attack, more importantly. And you can see how high the snow is. And I offered my neighbors to help them out, so as soon as the battery's up, I'll do that too. Okay, so I charged it for about an hour put it back in the case. And then we're going to finish all the way down there and where the snowplow buried the entrance. So we're going to try to get for that now. And it's still snowing. Snow Armageddon 2026. So this is the Greenworks Pro versus the Snowstorm. It's awesome.